Children, we have to follow the following steps to install Adobe Scan. To install Adobe Scan, you have to go to the Play Store of your mobile phone, as you can see on your screen. When you will click on the Adobe on the Play Store, then in the search button you can type Adobe Scan. As soon as you will type Adobe Scan, you will be able to see the following window where you will click on the install option and Adobe Scan will be installed on your mobile phone. It will take some time and it will get installed on your mobile. When this green circle will be there, you'll be able to see that green circle. Once Adobe Scan is installed to your computer, you have to click on Adobe Scan and you'll be able to log in into the Adobe Scan by choosing one of the accounts. You have to click on sign in with Google. Then you have to select the email address that you are using. Children, it will take some time. Why? Because due to the network connection is slow, so it is taking time. If you have a good network connection, it will be done very fast. So right now we have selected the option sign in with Google. As you can see now this circle. Now Google will ask one security question. In my case, it is asking date of birth, but it can be different. You have to sit with your parents and do this much work with your parents only. So there must be some security question that you have to answer. And once it is done, you will be able to log in into Adobe Scan. Since the network connection is a little poor, the processing is slow, but still now your Adobe Scan has started and you have to just click on allow. This is your Adobe Scan window where you have to put your camera properly over the page. Children, once Adobe Scan is installed in the mobile phone, only you have to choose Adobe Scan and place the camera properly on the paper. You can see the four dots. So once these four dots are there, the software will capture the text. Only you have to click on continue. Again, you have to wait for the four dots, and you can on the side of the camera you will be able to see this can continue button on the side of the mobile phone right side. So you have to click on continue to go to the next page. Wait for the four dots and the camera will capture the text. Once all the pictures are done, only you have to click on the place where all the pictures you can see where 4 is written on the right hand side of the mobile phone, and then you will be able to see all the pictures that you have captured till now. If any page you don't want to send, you can delete, and if you want to crop something, you can do all the things over here. Once you are saving the PDF, it will ask you where you want to share. So in that case, you can share, you can email it also, and you can WhatsApp it also.